Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's been a while and today we are making, drumroll please, a stop motion animation. And if you don't already know what stop motion is, it is basically a sequence of different images with objects at different places are arranged in a sequence manner which creates an illusion of motion. That's basically how videos are made, but stop motion, we take individual pictures and it kind of gives a choppy look to it, which is what stop motion is actually known for. And we're gonna make that in this video. But before we continue, there is something that we all must know, which is kind of important. The stop motion animation or film works on the same principle as videos. It works on the principle of frames per second. Right here you can see this whole segment is one segment. Here each individual box represents an image. For creating movies, 24 frames per second is considered to be the most natural look to the eye. 24 pictures arranged together create 1 second. Similarly, television, mobile phones, cameras also have this option of 30 frames per second. Above that is 60, 120 and even 1000 frames per second is generally used for slow motion things. Now, the difference between video and stop motion is that the video gives you pre-arranged product. In stop motion, we take individual pictures which we have to align later on during the post-production. 15 to 20 is considered to be the most sweet spot for creating stop motion, less time consuming. It also gives a choppy look. So to create difference from a normal video, we use 15 frames per second. So now you know how this thing works. Let's make an animation. Now I'm not gonna make anything crazy, but I'm gonna use daily objects to make a stop motion animation. The reason behind this is because I'm not making any stop motion film or anything. You can maybe apply this in your videos as well if you're a creator, of course, but even if you're not, give it a try. That's what this video is about. So let's make one. Okay, so I have kind of done the setup of the initial picture, this is kind of a messed up table, and the pens will move individually and go into the pouch. I know it does not make sense, but this is something that you can apply in your videos and so can I. Okay, so there is a small problem with stop motion video for YouTube. The thing is that in stop motion you take pictures and all I have is my phone through which I record and take pictures. There is one option that is I can take pictures while recording, or there is another option which is I just simply take the video of it and while editing I can just chop down the unrequired parts, only keep the images and keep it as still. You might not get it right now, but I will surely explain it. So let's begin. Okay, I think that's what I'm gonna keep for this angle. Now we're gonna change the angle in which this thing closes up. Okay, I think I forgot to keep this scale in the animation, but I think it's okay. Now we will have the zip closing effect. Should be enough. This is the first shot. Nearly 15 frames, but I think this works. So we're pretty much done with filming process of taking the shoot photos and everything. Now what I'm gonna do is take all the footage and keep it in my laptop, which we will edit right now, and I will show you how I created a stop motion animation from a recorded video. Okay, so while this thing is getting transferred, I just want to show you how beautiful the sky is looking right now. So I have imported all the files and footage onto my editing software, and now I will be chopping out all the unnecessary stuff that is not required and only keep the images that are needed to create a stop motion video. Epic time lapse, go. our most recent frame, and after this we are supposed to get this. As you can see the difference, but we have this clip right here in which I have my hat. So what I'm gonna do is delete this clip. I have chopped it from here, and I'm just going to delete it. We are remained with only the clips that were important to us. As you can see, we have this right here, which is a stop motion, and that's how we create. Now there's a lot more remaining from here, which I will edit right now. So let's finish this up. We have officially finished editing everything out in this stop motion animation, and this is what the timeline looks like. It's around 3 seconds, which is not so bad. Before I reveal the animation I have made, I would like to give a really big shout out to all the animators out there, and I hope you have learned something from this video, if not everything. Until then, see you in the next one.